Hi all. The Information and Analytical Service is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with the company's summary data. If you want, you can stop the video. You can look at all the indicators of the corporation under study carefully. Now we will look at the company's current performance indicators. Portillos Inc., ticker PTLO. This review was created using information as of August 8, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Portillos Incorporated belongs to the subcategory Public Catering. 54 organizations participate in the analysis. Look for the order table at the end of this video. The overall result for the company in question is as follows: 2.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 2.5 points. If you look very broadly, within the US market as a whole, we can see that the average score for the US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a 2.5 rating for the company Portillos Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Portillos Inc. and subcategory companies, we will see that in 12 months the shares Portillos Incorporated showed a change of minus 13%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory of 19.7%. Market capitalization of the organization Portillos Inc. valued at $0.58 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $628 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.45 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $34 billion. By comparing the shares of market and book value, we can see the following. Share Portillos Incorporated in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 0.093%. The book value is 1.34%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's financial liabilities amount to $0.621 billion. Debt to book value is 137% of equity. The company's debt rating, bad, minus 1 point. The company's stock price to earnings ratio is 19.1. With an average for the subcategory of 31.6. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profits for the last 12 months were $31 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $30 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 0.8. Average in the subcategory is 2.1. Evaluation of the exchange price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $730 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is projected to be $710 million. Evaluation of the indicators of expected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The sales margin is 4.2%, with an average of 6.6% in the subcategory. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.421%. This is 353% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $68,000. and for the subcategory $311,000. Assessment of the volume of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per individual employee of the company is $3,600. The average in the subcategory is $9,800. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's sales per employee is $85,000. In the subcategory, $148,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 15.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 3.7%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 24% for the company Portillos Inc. Whereas for the subcategory this level is 49%. The company's actual share price is around $7.71. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $12.19. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made in a given season by the reference evaluation system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the assessment results Portillos Incorporated. Information system Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open order to increase at $7.72. The order is open due to the fact that the company has a fairly good rating and price movement. The organization was assessed using the assessment method, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 10.16. Stop loss is set at 5.28. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is fixed independently based on the results of the exchange session on September 7, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, AVAH, is a balance order to sell. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on the channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the basic or balancing one, the opposite order is closed at the last price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.